Supervisor Dr. Sheila A. Hilado, sa aton school principal Dr. Sally Grace S. from Julio, sa amon na Istra Manuna A. Palanog, sa mga teachers sa Furlough Elementary School, our loving parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Today is a very special day for me and my classmates because we waited for this event to happen. After a year of proving ourselves that even though we are young, we can do big things to make our parents proud. To our loving parents, badabugin na salamat sa pagpalangga kag pagsuporta sa amon. You are the ultimate reasons why we are here today. Flying kisses to our parents, to our teacher who imparted us more values and skills to help us in our journey. Thank you, Ma'am Luna, for having made our learning so much fun and for the enjoyable experiences we had. As one saying goes, people will always remember the first and will forget the rest. But for me, every single experience in my kindergarten days will always be remembered. To all my classmates, thank you for shared fun as we learn our lessons each day. Thank you for smiles, for sounds of laughter we created and shared. I will treasure those precious moments. As our kindergarten year ends, let us all continue to grow, learn, and hopefully succeed as we step into the higher learning. Lastly, to our Almighty God, who has always been our protector, our great provider. Without Him, we can do nothing. It is our joy to try to welcome you all in our moving up exercise. I hope you will be inspired by our achievements. On behalf of the kindergarten class of 2023-2024, I welcome you all. Madam